The sky darkens, a bruised canvas streaked with electric anticipation. The air thickens, heavy with the scent of ozone and approaching rain. A low rumble echoes, growing into a formidable growl that vibrates through the earth, signaling the storm's imminent arrival. Then, the first drops fall, scattering like hurried whispers before a deluge. Wind whips through the trees, bending branches into frantic dances, and the heavens open, unleashing a torrent that washes the world in a blur of gray and white. Lightning fractures the darkness, painting fleeting, stark images of the landscape, followed by the deafening crack of thunder, a primal symphony of nature's raw power.